Hey chat, welcome to our live stream. Please like the video if you haven't. Let's know what you think about in the comment section. Yeah. Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, just like I promised some of you, we're going to do this stream for about an hour or 2 hours. Probably an hour would be okay. Yeah. We'll do this stream for about an hour, and then we get to see exactly how the market rolls. And for those of you who are new to trading, yeah, this is a clean way for you to learn Forex. It's not difficult, it's easier. So yeah, this was okay because if probably I took a swing trade, but I wasn't sure because of the candlestick. The candlestick always indicate the direction in which the trade is taking. Yeah. So that's one thing that you should know about the candlestick. Like, okay, so subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We're taking on this trade. That was a cool one. I guess, yeah, that was a cool one, but you just have to watch, man. Not a buy all the time. We just have to watch and make sure that we're not closing in losses. All right, so welcome to the live Forex trade. For those of you who are just joining, it's important. Please, let's do the technical analysis together here. Yeah. Let's do the technical analysis. We're doing the free technical analysis masterclass here. Not indicators, just trading in the direction of the candlestick. I've always told you to avoid chasing candlesticks. Yeah. So if you have a Wi-Fi, please join because it's gonna be a long trade. So let's get our point of support and our point of resistance. So we're indicating it clearly. That's going to be our support. That's going to be our resistance. I always put it slightly a little bit below because I know what it means. Yeah, for those of you who are joining, welcome to our live stream. We're basically analyzing the chart. We're just growing this account from 5,000 to 1,000. We are going to start our demo. Hi, yes. Hi, thank you. Thank you for being kind. Hi, AT. Hi, 80. Welcome to the live stream. Let's analyze these charts together. But I don't want us to take any trade that closes in losses. We have to take only trade that closes in profits. We are only going to deal with TPs today. Yeah, it's closing. Actually, this is a very good indicator that you could sell. I could sell here and I could make money because I see it's going down. And two, I'm not going to blow up accounts by having very many because my lot size is big and I'm not going to go blowing up account by having what? I'm just going to take small profits. Discipline matters. That's all what I care about. I'm not going to take on like 5 trades. Yeah. See, so here it's a profit, it's a negative. How is a pool? So that's what I don't want. I just want to get my quick profit and continue. Yeah, this is what I just don't want to see. I don't want to see any of my, if the goal is to make 10K, then we should just only take our profits as we study the chart because gold is volatile. Gold is extremely volatile. Gold is volatile. As long as all closes green here, no problem. Just take whatever profit you take, no problem. That is it. You've seen, guys. You've seen that method of trading is called scalping. Scalping means you only take trade in that direction. So we're done. We just don't need to eat small. That's the principle. Eat small. Take profit. Yeah, take profit because you're using a bigger stop loss of 0.08. And of course, if you're taking like over 5 or 10 trades where you want to make like $1,000, that's not going to be it. And if you are trading like this, because we need to grow up accounts, there are pro firms that are willing to fund, but you need to master the art of trading. This was cool. If we hold on that trade up to here, would have gone like really, really, really much. Wow, that's crazy. But we can't buy it now. Mm-mm. We're not buying now. No, we can't sell now. We were buying. Mm. Can't sell now. That was cool. That was a good one. Just take some cool small profits and that is it. It can even reverse. See this one? And closes above with a long wick. This can be just a long wick, but if you had put your take profit at around this pillar, would take some good money. But you see, I pointed in this direction that trade. Look at it from all the way from here. This is I think if you sell, you would make money. If you sell and then, yeah, you could make money. See the wick? The wick is now going down. So let's take this trade. For those who are learning, please take the trade on a demo account, please. Try and take the trade on a demo account. Yeah. Try and take because we're going to put up a real account. So try and take up trade on a demo on a real account. Yeah. If you're selling today, you will make money. You will make money if you're selling today. There's some bit of support and resistance, so it's coming all the way down. So what happens when it goes down? Can go up a bit, then go down. Okay. Yeah, I could be taking some trades here with you, but I'm telling you is that it's going to go. It's let me draw for you. The trend is this. The trend is this. These are the trend lines I'm showing you. Um, and it's going to go up a bit and go all the way down. Do you agree with me? Yeah. Just look at it on it. Study the trend line, the chart. For the past minute, it is respecting that it's a bearish. You will try to go up a bit, then come down. But if I want to buy, I'll wait for it to come up to here, then do the buy. Guys, do you agree? Do you agree? Type in the chat if you agree. Yeah, we are going to take trade on real account. So let's take trade. Um, this is a strong pullback. It's going to go up. I, ca- I can tell you it's going to go up. Let's look at the previous one. It was, this had, yeah. Type in the chat. Type in the chat, the other chat. Yeah, type in the chat. So let's learn this thing, by the way. You will be rich, man. You're going to be rich. This is the only way to get out of poverty. I'm telling you, guys are driving Range Rover. We are going to get our goods traders from here. Hmm? Try and take trade for newbies. Try and take trade. Yeah. Try and take trade. Next week, it's going to be real account. Next week, real account. And of course, you must learn. You should be able to learn because the only way, and weekends probably we might trade on Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yeah, probably. So if I bought from here, it was going up. I told you. I told you. Yeah. I told you it's going to respect that trend. That was cool. That was cool. At least we had a clear, yeah. Who is trading on XNES? Who is trading on XNES? Chat, let me know if you're trading on XNES. So it's still respecting the chart, but it's a bearish. Today we might experience bearish. And we have to be patient. We're not just going to highlight this small movement. Mm. Yeah, I'll wait for it to go up a bit, then I'll take trade. You will see that I will be making profit. You see? These are profits. Guys, this is not, I know it's simulated money, but this is profit. if you can perfect yourself, if you can make profit, if you can take profit, if you can get a TP on these trades and you understand, if you can have a TP, sure, just know you have the confidence to start taking on trade. You just fund a small amount of money and you can increase it. We will start. We can even start with $30 or $50 and fund that account. Yeah. Remember, these are masterclass technical analysis. So I don't want to buy it now because buy is a little bit volatile. I'm only going to make money today selling. I will sell in the bearish. Please type in the chat, type and let me know. Where do you think it's going to go after that first candlestick? Is it closing above? We had like 1, 2, 1, 2 on yeah. And it was long. So I think it's still going up. Just look at the previous trade and see. Still going up. We're going to trade until we get that strong point. Probably we would reach 6,000 on this account. I'm not going to use swing trading. Swing is quite, you get a lot of pressure that week of the candlestick. And if you have small money, it blows the account. Because of the war in Iran, let's check the actual market here and see. For those of you who are in Uganda, let's check. Oh, dollar is dropping at some point. And that's exactly what happens with Forex. Drops. Yeah. So it's dropping. Anyone taking on trade? I now have experience. I'm getting professional in this. I have the experience now. I do have experience. I've seen it. We can. Yeah, so let it go. We will sell. At some point, we will sell. Yeah. You can hold on trade in selling. So that one, I tell you, 100%, we can sell. But let's wait for a confirmation. Yeah, we are selling. Today, let's make trading simple. Let's not complicate it so much with too much technical terms, support, resistance, bearish. Green, you sell. No, green, you buy. Red, you sell. And then there's what you call resistance and support. That point when it has to respect the market. Support is when the buyers are trying to push the price to go up, and support is when the buyers are trying to push the price to go in the bearish direction. Support, buyers are pushing the price to go up. Resistance, the sellers are trying to push the price to go down. Yeah. Those are there are only three ways you make money. You make money by buying, you make money by selling, or you make money in support and resistance. Also, if you look at the setups that you place here, it's what will make you make money. I am trying to trade on XNES. Yeah, please do learn. Try to flip that account. Try to grow that account. Grow that account. If you can grow that account, I will tell you it's cool. Me, I'm taking a buy. I'm taking a buy. No, I'm selling. I mean, I'm selling. And I've told you the logic is that simple. You could take small profits and you go. And you can trade on a small one to avoid making losses. I want to grow this account 10,000. Yeah, let's take on trade. Let's take on trade. Learn, please learn, because by the time you're going to start trading, you're going to be professional. You're going to be professional in the way that you look at the chart and you know which direction it's going to take. Yeah. If it goes down, we make money. And you're seeing we are making money here. It goes down, we make money, and we are making money. That was small. Let's see how much we close. It was too small. Not bad. We had about 4 trades that were running. That's not bad. But I needed a confirmation. I need like one confirmation. Look, here it had only step up on it twice. Yeah. Let that trade close, then we will take. Where is the entry? Okay. See the entry. Yeah, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. So you can, yeah, you can enter now. Let's all sell. Let's all sell. Open position, open position. Let's sell. You sell, you make money. I'm only taking on 5. Me, I have only 5 open positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm already making profits, you see? And I've told you the rule is simple. Make small money, close. Hmm? Make small money. I made something like $69. And I'm going to, because we still don't have that confirmation candle, eh? So I see. See entry. You enter from that point. You can hold on trade, no problem. You can hold on trade. But me, I'm going to again enter again. I will enter again and I will make money still. I'll only enter 5 positions. I'll only open 5 positions. My lot size is 0.08. Please don't use 0.8, 0.08 if your money is small. Yeah. Guys, see, I'm making money. See, 170, 200. I am making money. If I close now, I would have made money. I'm closing. I've closed with 200. Profit of 200 here. Profit of 200. I've closed with profit of 200. Look, we are making money. So I I told you we are only making money selling right now. I'm making money right now. That's how I was able to grow that account very fast from the other previous live stream. And tomorrow we are having our last. Yeah, it is a confirmation. It's going down. Please sell, sell. I don't have open position, but I'm selling. I don't care whether it goes up or down, but I know it. I'll make money. At least for it's that is my entry. I've made about 5 open entries. I don't mind. Right now they're in red. Red means I'm still losing money. The market is going against me. But please don't hold on this trade for long. Why am I saying you shouldn't hold on this trade for long? Because uh, if you look at all the past, it has been a bearish. And there's no strong, you see this long one, this long candlestick is the one that shows that it's a long, it's what? A strong, uh, it shows that it's a strong pullback or reversal. Yeah, it will still go down. Probably will. uh, I'm going to take on trade only by selling today. And this is proper market analysis. The technical analysis is going well. If I reach 6,000, 6 what? 6K, and I know I'll reach 6K, I'll close that trade. I'll close that trade when it reaches 6K. My highs are locked. If I wanted quick money, I would close. If you close $70 or $80 right now, do you know how much $70 is? If you go, you just go and withdraw that money and exchange it. Yeah. So me, I didn't close. I decided to leave it to run. Mhm. What is the leverage? How much money do you have? How much is on your account? Before I give you the leverage, how much money is on your account? Mark. Mark, how much money do you have on your account? Me, I have 5,000. That's why I'm using a leverage of 0.08. And guys, I told you, I want to reach 6K. 6,000, I'll close that account. I'll close my open positions. It's pretty close. Pretty close to 6,000. And by the way, if you made like $200 in a day, that would be some good money. Me, I'm just holding on because I know it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Okay, I don't know how much you have, but please use 0.02. Okay, from 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 30 to 100 USD, use 0.0. Use lot of 0.01. Okay, guys, it's going against us. But anyway, it's just going against us to get that wick. And of course, most of the time, if you don't want, because that's holding on trade. That's holding on trade. That is swing trading. You hold on the trade, you know it's going to go, and then, but if it fails to close in your direction, you would have lost much more money than you have made. So if you're using money on real account, I don't encourage that. I don't encourage you to what? And you see, it ended up closing above. So it's going to force us to be in swing trade. But the problem is, if it fails to reverse below your open positions, That's the challenge. Hmm? You would have lost that money instead of going closer to 10K. Mark, use 0.01. Of course, you make less money with that pips, maybe like 40 pips. You make less money. And now you see the problem. Me, what I just don't want to have on my chart is like losing all this money, $300. If I close now, I would have lost all that money, which I just don't want to see it. That's why I'm not good at holding on trade, because I just want to make my quick money so that I protect my capital. Mm. Because now if it starts going up, that means I'm in shit. If it goes up and doesn't close above there, I'm in shit. Mm. And it's going up. You see, I'm losing almost 5. And the goal is to protect the capital. Protect capital. You see, we had a chance of closing when we are almost getting closer to that, and we would wait. Yeah. Ma- Mark, Mark, you have 100. Use only have like one or two open positions. Have one, or you can even have one opening position, and then use 0.02. That should be enough for you. Remember, we talked about it. Guys, we will come back here. Let's first wait the market to play. If it starts taking the upward direction, that means we would have lost 5,000 USD. And 5,000 is a lot. It's a lot. I don't want to have that big loss. If you want to grow in a small, yeah, that's okay, Mark. So, but get only one open position. Guys, like and subscribe. Get only one open position. This is holding on trade for long, and look, we just have to pray that now once starts dropping, it drops to 6,000. But anyway, because why I'm not so much scared is that I have some money on my account. That's 5,000. But here, I expect that at some point it has to drop below here. And once it drops below here, meaning uh, it came down twice. It can go up and come down. Okay. So right now the sellers are trying to push the price to go up. That's why you see we are losing almost all this money and going almost to 1,000. Yeah. And now what we are doing now, we are doing swing trading. It has closed above. See, the market is going against us. The market is going against us. So we need to be keen. Let's hope that we will get a strong pullback. If we get a strong pullback and we close in 6,000, we would have made like $1,000, and that's enough money. Then you wait until you're sure. Yeah. Are we learning something? Guys, like the video. The most important thing that you can do is to like the video. Just like the video. Like and subscribe. When you like the video, this is what we do. Huh? When you like the video, you subscribe, share the video. Now the algorithm pushes it. It grows, it helps us even do some bit of uh, fund a little bit of few accounts. Yeah. Because if we grow this account, I will be able to fund some account. We can have like some prop farms here where I can have some funded accounts. For those of you who are able to grow the account, I can give you a funded account and then you trade on it. Then you take 50%. I also take 50%. So, but this comes under prop farm challenge. Can do challenge on a funded account. Yeah, you can have some bit of a funded account. All these are packages. Right now, you guys are not paying for anything. Back to the chart. Yeah, so it's now pulling back. Yeah. Let's hope it pulls back and it helps us. Our goal is 6K. By tomorrow, I thought we would make 10K this week, but I think next week. And next time round, if you want us to start on a small account, we will start. But we have to be very keen. Small account, don't do swing. Swing not for small account. And then one thing I have noticed is that when it's coming to, let's check the time. Time is, we're using the New York time. Uh, it's 10 a.m., 10:38 a.m. So right now the market is the dollar is getting a little bit stable. So it's going to meet a lot of resistance. Yeah, guys, it's coming back. That's cool, but we are not closing because we are still in negatives. We are still in losses. We need TP and we need to, yeah. And also for those of you who don't know what pips are, you could learn this. How to calculate lot size in Forex. The lot size are normally calculated here. Lot size is account risk, stop loss in pips times pip value. That's how you calculate the lot size. So if you have $100, 100 plus stop loss of 50 pips times 10 pips, it gives you 0.2. 0.02 lots. But 0.02 lots is huge. Can blow up an account very fast. Okay? So, yeah, the standard lot sizes for if you have all these recommendations are there. If you have micro means you have little thing, you can do like 0.01. If you have something like 10, you can do like 0.1. That's 10K. But But in most cases, uh, anything that's 0.0, like 100, that's okay. But you don't make all that much money. Mm? And then what is PIP in Forex? Mm. PIP basically is percentage in what? In points. PIP is basically that percentage in points. So let's go back to our chart and see. Yeah. So it's still going down, right? We're able to hold on that trade still going down. I see it's looking cool. Um, do you believe that we will be able to take our 6K? Okay, I take some coffee here. I think we are almost there. Now it's playing. We are now going to that direction of the 6K. Let's pray it comes down and now. Yeah. This is the only time a trader is very happy when he's taking profit. When a trader is about to take profit, he's happy. The money is growing. Hmm? Let's wait for that pullback. Hmm? I have to close earlier. You know why I want to close? Because it has started reaching the resistance. And when it's hitting resistance means anytime it can either go up or down. So, but this is the time a trader is happy. So it's going up to get the wick. It's pulling up the wick. That wick is that long tail of the candle. The reason why I'm confident a bit is that um always it has to come around here. It has to come down at least. Because in the previous one, it respects. It can go up just to pull the wick up a bit. But we have to make sure that if it goes down, we close. Why? Why? Because we took the trade at a fair value gap. Hmm. Let's hope that it goes down. Oh, that's bad. Not looking good, man. That was a long week. That's a long one. If it closes above, we are in trouble. If it closes above, we are in trouble. Let's pray for a reversion. Let's pray for a reversion. I just hate losing money. That's one thing. Nobody wants to lose his capital. And nobody wants to take trade when he or she is making losses. No one wants that. Mm. Guys who have taken on trade and they're holding on. How is it going? Let me know in the chat. How is it going in the chat? And that trade might even close above. Now imagine if you have an account of, thank you for joining, guys. Like the video. Imagine you have an account of $100. You would have blown that account long time. Imagine you have an account of $100. You would have blown that account. Especially if you use this, this the lot size. So it's going up, guys. It has now started becoming unpredictable. Mm. Let's hope it's now not an uptrend. If this is the scenario I want to tell you, is that if starts getting an uptrend, always withdraw our support. This is our, allow me delete a few things from the previous chart, because I told you you trade going. So at this point, we expected that it would come down, but now they have started going up. And if this close, if this has closed here, okay, this was the lowest point, and it's here, so it's going to start going into the uptrend. So it's going to be a sale. So now the best thing we can do right now, it's not going to come down. Uh, we should wait for it to come a little bit closer to our open positions. Then we close all those trades and then start taking what? It might go up. Yeah. But throughout, I've been seeing this trend going down. Went up a bit, can try to go like that, then goes completely down. This was a strong one. This was a strong one. But if you are protecting capital, you don't lose this kind of money. If your goal is to protect your capital, you don't have to lose a lot of money. You can lose $100, $50. That's okay. Hmm? That's okay. But losing, there's no good buy at this point. Not at all. If you're going to buy, then you have to hold on the trade for a shorter time, or wait for a good confirmation to, yeah. The market is not looking good. It's going up. You see here, you don't predict on the past. You look at it going forward. It's not even a prediction, but you see, if it closes above this resistance zone, hmm? Oh, okay. Let's say it came down once, okay. It is going to go up, and then it is going to come down twice, and then also, let me delete this. It goes up, closes above, comes down. That means it is what? It's going to go up. Now, I was telling you, you don't need to have this kind of, like, you wait on trade for long. You see, a trade that we were above 5,000 and we are going to 6,000. Even yesterday, I closed at 5,000, not even at 4,000. Hmm? Not even at 4,000. Hmm? I'm sure those of you who have who are selling on a small account, they have blown their account already. Mark, is your account still there, or you have already blown it? Hmm? Or you have already blown your account? So it closed above this resistance. Now, if it continue going up, that's too bad for us. Mhm. That is too bad for us. That means it may never drop below here. That's why I was telling you, like when it drops below here, we close and we study the market as we go. The only thing is that we can't take all these losses. We can only close when these losses have reduced. Close all sell, and we are losing at this amount of money. So we don't have any profits. That thing hurts any trader. Any Forex trader feels that pain. And that's why we say gold is volatile. Yeah. Especially those of you who are following me. Because me, I prefer to take on live trade. Even in our next session, we're going to be taking live trade on real account. These are all live trade. The chart you're seeing here is the same chart you're seeing in MT5, is the same chart you see on Trading View. Eh? Yeah. Which broker? But for now, me, I would recommend XNES. Although other people use HFM, there are several brokers out there. I'm here hoping that at some point it comes down. But me, if it comes down and comes just below here, I need to close that to get another setup. This setup is now spoiled. This setup is dragging me in negatives. Mm. Remember, I've told you the tricks is that when you want to grow money, scalping might be the best way. If it goes up, that's bad already. That's bad for me. Eh? And from the look of things, let's wait and see where this will close. If this closes above here, I'll close that trade. Trust me. I'll close all the sales and leave it. I'll close the sales because I can't be just swinging here. 5,000. An account that were closer to 6K. I'll close that. I've made losses. I've blown account, but decisions, sometimes we make wrong decisions. And also I preach you being patient. Yeah, let me be patient. Sometimes probably it will, from what we have been seeing here. Hmm, it's still down, but I don't feel good about it. I don't feel good about it. And it's going up. That's what hurts me. I have to wait here probably for the next 1 hour. Probably this could be the time for people the sellers are pushing the buyers are pushing the market to go up. And if it goes up, there's this strong wick. We are in shit, brother. We're almost hitting 1,000. It's going up. This is crazy, man. Close going up. Market has turned against us, brother. Maybe all I can do is it's going to drop a bit to create It's going to drop a bit to create the wick. See, if I've closed this is $1,000, man. That's 3 million plus. That that is unacceptable. We had a position where we would have closed here at around here, and we could be close. We would wait, but you can't tell where you can't tell which direction. Can't tell which direction. That's crazy. At some point, it's supposed to drop, but if I don't think it will drop below here. That was a bad entry point for us. That was really, really bad. But sometimes, as you hold on to the trade, it's now 11. It's always crazy. I don't want trade for long. Over trading for long is something that I just don't want. Trading for long is something that I just don't want. I dropped even some point up to here. If I'm going to hold on this trade, then I'm going to hold on this trade for long. For long, 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 long. But that was bad. That was bad. Mm. Guys, how is it going? For those who are trading, guys, let me know your trading experience. Okay, guys, so I think now it's dropping. Right now, my heart start cooling. Yeah, for those of you who have been following, it's going down. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay for it to go down. Yeah, if you're going to trade, you need to be on your phone for long. Yes, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down, but are we sure it's going to it's going to go down below, or it will stop somewhere? Hmm? Yeah, we need it to go down below the support. We need it to go down below the support zone. For those of you who are traders, please, you know that in trading you have to really, really, really be on your chart for long. Hmm? Is it creating the weak point? Will it come down? I needed to close that gap. The other gap was too huge for me. Should we close it and start again? Or we wait for it to drop below? I've closed those losses. You know why I've closed that. The other loss was too big. Now, if I'm going to start anything that goes down, I start from here. But for now, look, after closing, that's when it's pushing. That's crazy. I have some losses here. I have losses of about 300. I'll see how to recover that loss. I just didn't like the other, because for how long are we going to wait? It's going down. Let, let that point first close, because it might close a little bit fast. So let's close. We'll push the account back. At least now I've protected the capital. The goal was first to protect the capital. We'll take another buy, but let's first look at this market. The market was a little bit crappy here. I'm sure it was still going down, but look. I'd expose my account to a lot of danger. Okay, I could take small buys, not like, because if I'm not certain, this could be it. Oh, let's draw this line. Guys, look here. Yeah, probably that could be our new support zone. We'll make that money back, eh? We'll make that money back. So what I'm going to do, let this trade first close and I look at it carefully. We have some losses, but at least we have protected the capital. It's going down. Are you sure? Yeah, it could go down. Let me sell. It could go down. It could go down. It could go down. Okay. I have about 5 open positions here. I'm not doing 8, man. 8 is dangerous. Let's have 45. It's not bad. If it goes down, well. If it goes up, then we're cooked. it goes down and we make that money a little bit, yeah. It's first going up to give that wick. It's going down. Yeah, it's good to keep looking at the chart in real time. And trust me, the more you look at this chart, the more you're going to be an expert here. The more you look at this chart, the more you're going to be an expert. And by the way, if it goes down, make some little profit. We close, but we're not sure which direction it will take. If I make small profit there, I'll close. Then I wait for it. I wait for a good setup. Our setup is already bad. Our setup is already bad. And by the way, if you wait on this trade up to around probably around 9 p.m. or in 1 or 2 hours from now, it could be a very good trade somehow. And do we have that capacity of waiting on that trade for all that long? I don't know. But let first go down. Yes. Let it first go down, go to 5, go down, down. That would be cool for me. You put a very strong push, that would be cool for me. I need it to go down. It's not going below our support. This is crazy. That resistance is too much. I don't know why it's not breaking it. Are we going to see profit really? Break it. Break that resistance, that zone. But I will tell you, trading is difficult at that point. Okay, I saw coming. Pull down, pull down. Nice. Pull one more time. Pull. It's crazy, eh? That's the most difficult position to. Eh, hard to watch. Kind of like crazy.